Alright, we're synced up. Guys, we made it through another winter. You guys can see. It's nice and warm. It's a nice, bright, sunny day. It's 15 degrees Celsius. And I would actually say this is the first day of riding season. We've made it another year, boys. We endured another winter. It's riding season again. We're back. And a lot of you guys might be out about taking your bikes out for their first spin, brushing off the cobwebs. One thing I would note, I would want you guys to note is check the tire pressure. Make sure to check it if you're new. I had a feeling for the past couple of rides, because I've still been riding through the colder months, is that I noticed that the tire pressure had gone down. It felt weird, so I had a feeling that it was down. And lo and behold, today it was down a couple of PSI. So, that being said, I'm gonna go and get some gas. I'm not doing a major ride today. I plan on going tomorrow with some buddies, and the next couple of weekends I have major plans for rides. So I'll meet you guys on the road.
Alright guys, and before we continue on with today's video, I wanted to ask you guys to please hit the subscribe button down below. It really means a lot, helps out the channel, and it's completely free. We are trying to get to 1K as soon as possible, and with your guys' help, that can be done within the month or by the end of March. And I really appreciate you guys for that. So if you guys could, again, please hit the subscribe button down below. It's completely free, and hit the bell notification if you guys want to stay up to date with my current videos. I'm going to be posting YouTube shorts daily and 2 long form videos a week. And yeah, that's gonna be it for me for now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.
Alright, it's actually pretty freaking warm. Alright, and before we begin, if you guys are interested in getting any gear, check out havenmoto.co for some awesome new riding gear. It's the start of a season. You guys might be interested in getting new gear. You guys might be new riders who are trying to find good gear. Have a look at them. They have an amazing selection of riding gloves, and they have riding jackets and pants, the race jackets and everything too. And if you guys are interested and you guys do want to pick up their stuff, go to their page, go to checkout, and use code MOTOMARAUDER for 10% off your entire purchase. Now, just so you guys know, if you guys do purchase from them using my code, I get a 10% commission as well. So it helps out the channel, and you guys get some new gear for the riding season. So let's get on with the video. Oh man, I miss this weather, man. It's freaking beautiful. It's nice out, warm. The cool breeze coming from, well, no windshield. Such a great time, man. Such a great time to be alive. So yeah, today's motovlog is just, well, congratulations guys, we made it through another season. Just to talk to you guys about, hey, we made it through another season, and yeah, I'm excited. How about you guys? I want you to comment down below if you guys are starting to ride now too for the season. Are you guys excited? Are you guys excited as me? Do you have plans for this season? Do you have plans? Are you going out places? I'd love to know. Leave it in the comments. Anyways, today I'm not really doing any major ride or going to meet anyone today. Today I'm just basically preparing the bike and everything for tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going to be meeting up with some friends. They purchased a new car. They purchased an E39 with a V8, so I'm excited for that, and I wanted to go see it, check it out, take some pics with them to collab a little bit, and that's what we plan to do tomorrow. Today I can't really do much. Siblings are out, so I'm dog sitting and just having a good old time, making some content on the Marauder. Yeah, just a good time, man. One thing you need to be careful of is the speed, man. The tires are cold. It's a warm day, but my tires are probably still cold. I'm just excited because it's a nice day to be out. It's nice and warm. Oh man, guys, if you guys are just new to my channel and new to the bike world as well, and you guys are interested in getting your first bike, do it. Now's the best time. The season's starting up. You have a full, I don't know, 5-6 months of riding, maybe more, maybe less, but you guys have the opportunity right now to ride. Do it. Get your license, get your bike. You won't regret it, I promise. And as you guys can see from my page, we are almost at the 1K milestone too, so I really appreciate all of you guys for sticking around, watching my content, hitting the like button, sharing it, and just enjoying it, guys. I know there are a couple of videos that probably did not do too well because you guys did not like, and I appreciate the feedback on that and help me improve and work on my content even more, so I can push out stuff that you guys actually enjoy. And please do comment below and comment on any video if there's anything you guys would like to see, bike related, car related. I'd be more than happy to make content on that, because trying to brainstorm all this while working full-time and everything is sometimes a bit tough, but I make do with what I got, you know. So yeah, we're at the gas station finally. First fill up of the official season. I say this as if I haven't been riding year round still, that my bike hasn't been uninsured, because it wasn't in storage at all. But hey, it's good to be back, man. It's good to be like official season. We're going to see more bikers out and about. Probably meet more people, go and do some of the collabs and everything. It'll be fun. It'll be really, really fun. Damn, Lambo. Sick. Bike season, car season's up and running now, basically, guys. I'm excited. As soon as we hit 1K, and the channel is monetized or almost monetized, or if I feel like it's a good opportunity, I'm gonna be picking up another bike or a car. I don't know. I really want another bike. I need to increase the watch hours. So we'll see what happens. It's a nice day, and like it's a nice day, and everyone's out with their cars, their muscle cars, sports cars, and bikes. Damn, man, really happy about this. $14, man. My tank was actually pretty empty. $14 for the gas, huh? I'll just make sure to reset this. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It's a bit short, but it's just to announce, hey, bike season's up and running again, man. We've made it another year. We made it through another cold winter. And if you guys have been riding year round, like I sort of have as well, congrats, we made it through the colder months. If you guys haven't been riding into the colder months, well, time to brush off the bike, brush the cobwebs off, get new fuel, and prepare the bike for a new season, guys. Hopefully, and if you guys are riding, ride safe. If you guys are out riding, ride safe, stay warm, wear gear. Again, check out Raven Mode if you guys want to. Check out their gear, it's awesome, it's good too. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Stay safe, stay warm, catch you guys in a bit. If you guys did enjoy this video, or if you guys enjoyed any of my videos or found this helpful in any way, shape, or form, please do consider hitting the subscribe button, as we are trying to hit 1K as soon as possible, and we're almost at the end of the first goal, and we are almost at the end of this 1K milestone goal. We're at currently, as recording, we are at 912 subs, 913. We'll need like 87 more, guys. So if you guys could do me a huge favor, drop a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next video. See ya.